The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, alloy wheels, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, keyless entry, cruise control, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lamps, power door locks, power windows, MP3 playback stereo, side airbag, intermittent wipers, side curtain airbag, daytime running lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.